We're doing it on Omega. Prowler versus me. This is beta on because Prowler's going to be using some beta cards. Here we go.
Yep.
Dude.
Up. You get to choose.
I'll go first.
Alright, sounds good to me.
Zombie World.
No, the only reason why I'm using beta cards is because basically it's not fully in the game though.
We're getting a lightning storm in what the heck is King's Court?
Yep, we're supposed to be getting a lightning storm, which means that basically the idea of having it in the structure deck is either a no or a maybe. That's the only thing I know. And I think it's going to be a maybe, and I think it's going to be a common because according to what I heard is that the one that's in King's Court is the ultra rare.
That'd be cool if it was a common. Normal summon, Unizombie. Have you made a new format? What is this? Unizombie, target himself, increase its level, discard Bloom. Bloom if it hits the grave. Discard sent to the graveyard, I get to add a zombie to my hand, but since I have Zombie World, I can special summon it. In any position. Okay. I'm gonna use its other effect. Send to the graveyard. I'll send. I think I'll send NEXUS Banshee. And then I will 2 zombie monsters. We're both zombies. Vampire Sucker. And that's it. End phase, yeah, that's it. Draw phase, nothing. Standby phase, Doom King. We're in a standby phase. It's a face up field zone. What? Face up. Isn't it? It's all of a field card. I get to. And then Vampire Sucker, if a zombie special summon from either graveyard, I get to draw 1 card. I'm not gonna negate it. Okay. The Doom King.
Activate the effect of is it Joker's Knight, sending to the graveyard Queen's Knight.
Hey, it even says sample. And the picture is really blurry. Oh.
Special summon Joker's Knight.
Okay.
Let's see here. Let's set this card face down in my back row. Why not? Battle phase. Here, as you see here, Vampire Sucker for 2K.
NEXUS Banshee banish, and then I will chain link that with Doom King. If the zombie activates his effect, I can negate or banish 1 card on the field or graveyards. I'll banish your Joker's Knight. And then NEXUS Banshee, quick effect, banish, activate Zombie World from deck.
Main phase 2. Activate DDR. Discarding from my hand Divine Sword Phoenix Blade.
I'm getting him back.
Yep, to get Joker's Knight back. And I will now see here. I guess I will end my turn from there.
I don't want to do that. I want to do this one last. Do I want to do that? Exactly.
Dang.
Switch battle. Sucker direct. Banshee direct. Doom direct. Main phase 2. Pot. Prosperity. I'll banish 6. I'll do 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh fuck. What? 5, 6. Super poly. I'll set a mirror force. Oh shit, no. Oh fuck, I should have did linked off or something. Shit.
Why not? Normal.
Imperial Battler. What if you control no other monsters? So that was a normal summon.
Yep.
Super poly. For Drago Necro?
Nice try on that.
What the
Nice try. I was actually had that set for myself, but you know, since you did Super Poly, I thought, what the hell?
Return the target's extra deck.
I had that set for myself. Hey, Defusion still works in any format, and yet nobody bothers to play it.
Still your move?
Yep. And let's see here, since I've already normal summoned it, I'll end my turn.
End phase. Quero. Setting. Let's get set the Scarlet. Draw phase. Nah. Oh, what the fuck? I missed the Doom King's effect. Fuck. Fuck. I clicked it too fast. Scarlet Eldritch. Damn it.
Just attack me with the darn. All you have to
battle.
do is attack me with the darn. See your vampire sucker, and it's game for me for this turn.
Had to be Banshee. Sucker only had 16.
Oh,
let's do
it was close enough.
Flawless victory.
Flawless victory for you.
Yep. Yeah, I'm good. I'm not even gonna side anything.
Why not? Since I know what you're playing, I'll go first. Yippee! Why not? Let's go for this. Activate. You know what? Why not? Since your deck's not running any normals, I'm gonna try this out for size. Special. Special. Oh, never mind. I don't even have to go for the other one.
Uh-oh.
This, and this. And I will now, let's see here.
38 attack. What the heck?
3,800 attack. Arcana Knight Joker.
That target
Almost said extra.
This guy the same.
There's ways of summoning him out now instead of the original way. Now, which is nice. They actually gave him a boost. He now no longer has to be summoned out the regular way. Yes, I had King's Knight in my hand this whole time. That's why I that's why I went for it. I was also going to go for the other card and my extra deck as well.
No, I would have to be Banshee. And then Banshee's effect. Activate Zombie World. Target himself discard a card. It's gonna be that. Let's see. Prosperity. We'll do the same thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Out of the cards! Come on, god damn it!
You really didn't get much.
Wait, what? Okay. I do that. Same thing. Yeah, I'll get the cursed out one. I'll activate the cursed out one. Activate effect, pay 800 to add Conquistador. I will set. And my turn. And phase, Conquistador banish to set an Elixir, which is Scarlet. I will activate. Draw phase, I'm just gonna activate Scarlet. Watch to summon Eldritch from the deck. I'll put him in the fence. No, it doesn't. Yeah.
Well, this is gonna make me think. Why not? I'll save that for later. Battle phase.
Ice Dragon's Prison. I'll target a monster, which is from your graveyard. Special summon, which is your King's Knight. And then I'll banish 2 monsters of the same type. Everything's a zombie now, so I'll banish King's Knight and your Arcana Knight Joker.
Why not? Let's go for this. And why not? Let's go for this.
I should have did it on battle. I was before battle. Now you can still link it off.
I'm gonna do something much better than that.
Go for the Utopia. That's another good backup, I guess, because that right there, boom, is another Utopia. You do have the Utopia package. Funky Cigar.
I'm both the Utopia package. God dang it. I'm running both of them. I was gonna go for the Utopia Double / Utopia Lightning package. Dang it, it was so close. Sorry, bad enough I'm not drawing into any freaking equip cards. Like, seriously, I haven't drawn any equip cards. To play what else I wanted to play. Because I have them in my hand. And you already know who I'm talking about. I don't have him in my hand. I have him in my hand, but no equip cards. What are you gonna do now? You there?
Yeah, I'm gonna go like this. I'm gonna go like this. Send, target and send. And then send.
I did. I'm doomed.
Did I lock myself into zombies or something?
I think you did. Don't forget, you still have Zombie World on the field, dude.
Yeah, battle. I don't know if this is game, probably. 35-25.
It's game, dude. The way the math is correct, then yeah, it's game.
Yeah, it's game right here. Doom kick.
That's why I said it.
Finish.
Good game.
Let's do this. Thank you, Prowler, for the duel.
Yep, you're welcome.
Comment, share, like, and sub, it's sub if you liked it. See you guys.